Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got our hashtag breast cancer awareness tag for October. I've started off with Dainty Digits Glitter Be Gone, and this is China Glaze Bodysuit Yourself. It's a beautiful dusty rose and it's got shimmer, pink shimmer in it that does show up on the nail. It's beautiful and the formula is amazing. I am late on this video this month. I've been sick for what seems like forever, and this one just had to get pushed back. I did want to make sure that I did it. I'm going to do every one of these that I had planned, no matter what. It might be late, but you know, better late than never. And by the way, hi Woody, how you doing? So here we go with our second coat of Bodysuit Yourself. I am so glad that I did this challenge because almost all of the polishes were untrieds in my collection, and you know, having a reason and a theme made me break them out and use them, and I would have never known how much I loved this one if I had not done that. It could have stayed lost in the collection forever, who knows. I didn't even know it had shimmer in it. That's how much I knew about it. Gorgeous, gorgeous polish. Hi Woody again. He's back. So here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And I'll be using BM 324 as well as BM 321 and Beauty Big Bang is 017. I got my Conad stamper and my beauty scraper out. I'll be using this Nicole Diary that I can't hold on to. It's called Pink Blossom. It's a beautiful polish. I do have my Burt's Bees around my cuticles to help with cleanup. And I will let you know that this manicure did not turn out as I had envisioned or how I had hoped. But in the end, I was happy enough with it to go ahead and share. How about that? I decided instead of French tipping it on the end, I would use it up towards the cuticle. And here we go again with that same image. Beautiful stamping polish. The color is really pretty. Gotta use a little piece of tape to get that excess off. Even though it would have been up on the skin, I still wanted to get it off of there. And I kind of smudged this one. I don't know if it was user error or if I had some Burt's Bees somewhere, but it'll be okay. And I love this image that's got all the awareness ribbons on it. It's just a really good one. It's got big ones and little ones, and you know, you can cover that whole nail. So there, we're going to tap that one off. And then now I'm going to clean that plate with some pure acetone. I am cleaning my stamper off on the lint roller as usual. And now I'm going to use this single awareness ribbon here for my middle nail. Scrape and pick up. I've got a lot of extra to clean up with my tape here. And these newer Nicole Diary polishes, I don't know what they did to the formula, but they definitely are harder to clean up off the stamper now. I don't know if they've got more oil in them or what's the deal, but I just keep going at it, and this might have been one of those that I probably should have used some sticky base on my nail to help this transfer, since it took longer to clean up the image, but we're going to roll with it. There we go. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get any excess up off of my skin that I can. You know, it doesn't always come up, but I got most of it up. And now for the final tidying up with some acetone and a cleanup brush. And here we go. I will be using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat today. Love, love, love this stuff. And once that is completely dry, I will be topping this manicure off with Poshe Top Coat. And seal it down and call it finished. A little blurry there, I'm sorry about that. So, keeping that free edge there. So there we go. I will have a link for Mrs Cronall's channel down below. She is my inspiration for this series. And there is my swatch photo. I would love to hear what you think about this one. Leave me a comment. I would like to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.